Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share someone's profile on Instagram story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To do that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app right over here. So let's say this is the person's profile, right? I'm gonna be tapping on. So let's say this is the person's profile that I would like to share. And you're simply gonna go ahead, go to the section of three dot over here, and you can tap on this option of share this profile. Then you're gonna go ahead, choose the one whom you would like to share with. You're gonna go ahead, choose the person. Once you find the person, tap on the person and tap on send. That's what you can do as well. But if you don't want to do that, you're gonna tap on share profile, and you can share it through WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat, any other platform as well. And that's what you can do to share a person's profile. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.